Genie AI versus ChatGPT. Let's start with Genie AI. Now, Genie AI is an AI-powered legal assistant and document automation platform that helps individuals and businesses draft contracts, legal documents, and policies using AI. It's designed especially for UK-based and global users needing accessible legal tools. Now, let's talk about its pros and cons, starting with the pros. First, it offers AI contract and document generation with legal focus. It also has a huge free library of legal templates like GDPR, NDAs, contracts, and many more. It also has an easy to customize template with guided assistance for AI. It has a guide AI assistance for usage. It also has useful for startups, freelancers, and small businesses. And it offers free plan available for simple documents. And lastly, it is a UK-centered legal compliance. Now, let's talk about its cons. Although it is primarily focused on legal use cases, it still has a limited general AI use. It's also not ideal for creative writing, coding, or broader knowledge tasks, so it's mostly just for legal use cases, not for generating AI. Also has a legal coverage which is more tailored to UK law, so it's limited for other jurisdictions. It also lacks conversational flexibility, so it's not a chatbot. And it has no advanced AI memory or plugin ecosystem, so that might be a downside. Now let's try it and start exploring. Now first, it has a lot of AI models, including GPT-4o, Gemini, Cloud, Gwen, Grok, DeepSeek, Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E. And for the use cases, as you can see here, and it also has the prices. Now let's check the use cases first. For the use cases, you can have multiple AI models, as you can see. It can help you generate your ultimate AI tool for web search and many things. Now for the pricing or the model itself, you can get started for a month with $0.67 per day. And for 3 months, you can do $40 per month or what you call 0.44 per day. And for 12 months, $60 per month. Now, if you have a pro, it's not just access to GPT Pro, you can also do Google Gemini, DeepSeek, Cloud, Grok, or no limits. Although if you're doing a free plan, you will only be able to use GPT-4o, which is just technically it's just ChatGPT. Now, you can try using that here. You can continue, access, gets instant answers, advanced AI tools if you just log into your Apple or Google account. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is created by OpenAI. It's a flagship conversational AI platform, which is capable of generating text, answering questions, coding, creating documents, and even using tools like Dolly, Python, and web browsing. It also has Plus Plan access. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. Now for the pros, it offers powerful multi-purpose AI for writing coding, analysis, and chat support. It also supports custom GPTs and assistant tools. It has a plug-in web, code, and image generation tools, even with a pro plan. It also works across industries, from legal to marketing, which is what you can see here. It also works in Genie because you can see an AI model here. It has the GPT-4, which is technically just ChatGPT. It also has a conversational, intuitive, and memory-capable AI. So it will try to save your data that you prompted first, and then you can even give intuitive directions for it, and it can be conversational. And lastly, it has continuously improving with updates. So with GPT-4 Turbo on the latest version. And now let's talk about its cons. Now for the cons though, it may require prompt engineering for precision in legal documents. So if you're trying to use this for legal documents, try to use ChatGPT for legal documents, you might want to be precise on your prompts. And no, it doesn't have built-in legal template library. It also doesn't have legal advice, which isn't a jurisdiction specific or formally vetted. The free plan is limited to GPT 3.5 and fewer tools, and it has paid plans, so it's not really free to use if you want to use it for more advanced tools and reliability. Now we can try using ChatGPT. Let's say you want to have legal documents for dogs. Let's say, for example, then we can generate that and we can wait for it to generate after we prompt that. And as you can see, on legal documents, it will give you some legal requirements for dog owners, additional legal documents in process, legal responsibilities, local ordinance, and many more. Give me links, links or proper files for documents these for usage. Then we can wait for it to prompt. After we prompt, it will search the web and use all the data gathered in the internet. And since, as you can see, we asked for links, we can now click these links and then check each of them and even knows where you're from and use that data as you can see here. A registration form for vacation, some medicine certificate vaccination, some application or something, importations of dogs into the Philippines, something like that. And that's some legal documents and requirements. And those are basically how you use ChatGPT. It's basically conversational. You can even ask it to generate some images and to generate the documents images for me. I then wait for it to load. It will search the web and then it will try the document images and generate it. Take note that it depends on the model whether or not it will be able to generate images or not. So you might want to choose the tool, like for example, search the web or create an image. And as you can see, it has here generated the images. And just like that, we'll have some generated images, although it may have some blurred on some details because it is a privacy invasion. Now, that's for ChatGPT. Now, if you want to choose which one is best, if you're looking for a legal specific AI tool that helps draft contracts, policies, and legal documents with compliance in mind, and it's built for startups and professionals who need a no-fuss legal writer, you might want to choose Genie AI. And if you might want to consider doing the plans or the pricing and subscribing to them if you have the budget and if you can afford to do so. But if you can't, if you want a flexible and powerful AI that can do far more than legal writing, like code generation, creative writing, research, and workflow automation. It's ideal for general users, freelancers, and power users alike. Then choose ChatGPT because Genie AI is best for legal templates and compliance and best for UK-centric legal work, while ChatGPT is best for multi-use flexibility and tools and best for overall AI performance and customization.